Confidence is the power hidden within our weaknesses. Instead of running from them, you embrace them. Weakness are not liabilities to you or me, they are assets. Your failures don't describe you. Your past mistakes doesn't describe you. No longer shall you stick to what you're good at. True confidence is born in the face of challenge. And in those moments of struggle where you push beyond your limits, you find out what you're truly capable of. So the next time you find yourself faced with a weakness, don't run from it. Run towards it. Turn it into your personal training ground, where every rep and every set brings you one step closer to mastery. Let your incapabilities be your teacher, guiding you on the path to true confidence. Because in the end, it's not about where you start, but how far you're willing to go. And when you stand tall, proud of who you are and what you can do, you'll realize that your weakness were never obstacles, but the very fuel that led you to your accomplishments.